How to sleep in 5 minutes anywhere? Sleeping is an activity that all living beings on this planet do, since it is necessary for us to recover the lost energies throughout the day. The problem is that today people often have problems sleeping, and that is nothing at all good, since they can spend hours and do not fall asleep. While an effective remedy is sleeping pills, this generates addiction, which is not good for our body. Well then, we will give you some tips to learn to sleep in just 5 minutes. Now we go to the most important part, where we will talk about simple tips and techniques that you should always keep in mind if you want to know how to fall asleep fast and without going round and round in bed. 1. The signs of darkness. Not for nothing is that we usually sleep in dark environments. Darkness sends signals to our brain that our energy must go down, making it much easier for us to fall asleep. If you cannot sleep during the night, whether for work or other subjects, always try to wear a good quality face mask. They are very effective, portable, and will help you create a dark environment at any time of the day that you want to sleep. 2. Get disconnected. For those who want to know how to sleep faster at night, this question is of the utmost importance. If light is almost impossible to reconcile sleep with loud noises and sounds, the goal will be much harder to achieve. There are good quality headphones, even cushions, that help to prevent external noises from impacting our ears. Now, if you want to completely disconnect, you can also choose to listen to some soft music or meditation when going to bed.